Presented by GX Cartography Crack. Today we are happy to bring you some details on how to create shapefile using ArcGIS. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more details. So we'll move into ArcGIS. So moving into ArcGIS, you can see we have our administrative boundary of Cameroon. From the far north, Adamawa, east, center, south, littoral, southwest, northwest and west. So in the center region of Cameroon, we have a topographic map of Bafia, and in this topographic map of Bafia, we are going to be showing or teaching you on how to create a new shapefile layer or a shapefile layer on ArcGIS. So I zoom into the front topo of or the topographic map of Bafia, you can see the different road certification and national roads on the line. So in this zone, we are going to zoom to an arrondissement known as Obala. So this is Obala, and we are going to be working on the area or the zone, a town known as Waitopsi or a locality known as Waitopsi. So in this locality known as Waitopsi, we are going to create first a point vector layer and a line vector layer, and after a line vector layer, we are going to create a polygon vector layer. But the polygon vector layer will be meant for our next tutorial, which we are going to be looking on vector layer creation. So without no wasting of your time, we start with the main details. So by creating a new vector layer or a new shapefile layer, the first thing you need to do is you create a folder, and in the folder you just right click. For mine, I've created mine as tutorials. You right click, you go to new. From new, you see shapefile. When you go to shapefile, you see shapefile, new shapefile, points. From this new shapefile and points, you can change the new shapefile to the name of the shapefile you want. For me, I'm just going to change mine to Zwitopsy. So saving the first shapefile layer as Zwitopsy, and we are going to have a point layer, which is a vector layer also, and we are just going to insert our coordinates of the zone and just hit OK. Now to continue on this, you just go to editor, you start editing, you select your point of the new creation of shapefile layer Zwitopsy, and you hit OK. Go into my table of content and activate Zwitopsy so it can be visible. So I will just go to editor, I will select create features. Creating features, I go to select Zwitopsy and I place it at the point of Zwitopsy. Now I go to editor, stop editing, and here I will save editing. So you can see my point labels Zwitopsy, and if I disactivate the topographic map of Bafia, you are just going to see the zone there known as Zwitopsy. The zone here known as Zwitopsy found in the central region of Cameroon, and if I zoom to layer, you are going to see the point there in the central region. This is where Zwitopsy is found. So I'm just going to zoom back to layer of Zwitopsy, and now go to the creation of a line polygon, of a line shapefile before going to the polygon creation. So creating a line shapefile is the same procedure. You right click, go to new shapefile, and here we just choose national road 3 N3, and in the place of point, decide take polyline, and now we select our coordinate. Mine I'm going to favorite because I saved that as favorite already. Okay, and same procedure, we have to select our national road 3 and digitalize or map the road along the side of Zwitopsy. So we are mapping the road along the side of Zwitopsy. So from the fast rapid zoom from the fast rapid certification of ours, we have the road national road 3 of Zwitopsy, and if we turn off the topographic map of Bafia, we are going to see National Road 3. So these are two shapefile layer we created, a line shapefile layer and a point shapefile layer. Thank you. Just like, share, subscribe, and always follow Chess Cartography Net, Chess Cartography Crack for more YouTube tutorials. On our next topic, we are going to be talking on how to create a new polygon layer.